PLC Network here with another unboxing, this time once again coming from the company Beyerdynamic. This is a wireless pair of on-ear headphones. This is called the Aventho, E-V-E-N-T-H-O, wireless headphones. And we're going to pop them open, see what's on the inside. And of course, you go to the website, and later we'll have a review fully covering what we think about these headphones. I'm just going to close that and put that right there. You start off with a little bit of a booklet here that just kind of talks about Beyerdynamic and a few other things. Optimal sound as the measurement of all things. That way they can tell you how cool they are. We have some documents here, kind of a little insert that talks about the app, so it can show you where to go to get the app and what it does for EQ and some other things, customizing the headphones to you. You have a pair of instructions, or a booklet of instructions with multiple different languages, looks like German and English. Put that there. And we have the headphones here, a little piece of foam to protect them with. And before we get to those, I got a couple more items in here. We have a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter cable. So that way, in case you want to take these wired instead of wireless, in case your device doesn't support wireless, you have a USB to micro USB cable for charging the headphones. And of course, you have this cool little cloth bag. It's got some cushion to it. It's kind of heavy duty. It looks like it's reinforced on the bottom with a piece of cardboard or something that's inside sewed into the fabric to give a little extra protection. It is a drawstring bag with a little knob thing on there. So the headphones themselves, again, they're wireless and wired, if you want to go that route. The muffs are marked on the inside, so you got right and left right there. You have a nice combination of both, it looks like aluminum maybe, and nice padding and a little bit of plastic, not much. The muffs themselves feel really comfortable. Let's see here. They do feel great on the head. It's actually kind of a tight fit, but not in a bad kind of tight fit way. It's snug. It feels like it's not going to move around on your head if you're, in any kind of sporty activities like jogging, running, jumping, whatever. Feels like they're going to stay on your head, but it doesn't feel like it's going to cause any discomfort. It feels pretty right there, perfectly in between, perfect comfort and, or at least a nice comfortable grip and, avoiding any kind of discomfort. The right muff has all the controls on it. You have a micro USB input for charging. You have a little LED light. You have a button here to turn them on and off with. You have the 3.5 millimeter input, so if you want to go wired. And then it looks like right here is a microphone, so you can use these for taking phone calls and whatnot, or using your voice assistant. And that's it. The controls, actually. Gonna want to learn how to control your tracks while you're running around. These don't have any buttons for controls. This is actually a touchpad that's on the right muff. So that way you can actually touch it to pause and play, and you can swipe it to skip track or take your volume up and down. It's kind of a cool little effect. So we're gonna have more about this later. This is what's in the box, but you're gonna want to go to plcnetwork.net so you can go read what we have later on, because we'll run a full review on this. We'll tell you what we think about it. Do we like it? Do we not? And the various different things, such as the various different motions for your fingers to control the tracks with. So there you have it. This is the Aventho wireless headphones from Beyerdynamic. And again, go to plcnetwork.net. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.